Hey, what is going on, YouTube? It is Outdoor Guy 365 coming at you with another video. And guess what? Guess where I am? Outside. That's right. It's another beautiful day here in northern Illinois. As long as it's not winter time and it's not snowing, it's pretty much a good day anytime. So what I'm bringing you today is we have a boxed up kayak that we got. And the company, or the name of the company that I bought from is Bonnlo. That's how I think it's pronounced, B-O-N-N-L-O. The company makes kayak two-wheeled movers, basically, for portable carts and things like that, for portable, for moving kayaks to and from the water as needed, depending on if they're heavy or not as heavy. So yeah, if you own one of those carts, well, then this is a kayak that may surprise you. So it is in a box, and I did open it. It came very well packaged, heavy duty nylon straps, metal clasps around it. So let's dig into this. I have yet to take it all out of the box and see what it's all about. So let's do this, guys. So it looks like on top of, as I'm taking this out of the box, there is, I think this is a storage or carry bag. Yes, that's what it looks like. A storage and carry bag. The carry bag has shoulder straps on it. They're adjustable. Has a seemingly nice heavy zipper here on the bag. That's cool. Okay, so we have a bag. That's a good start. Next, it looks like we have some seats here. The bottom of the seat, very thick, very cushioned. Then there's the back of the seat, not as much cushion. I think it's gonna need some type of support, possibly. We'll have to see how that plays out, but we have places to connect to on the kayak. So there are two foam padded seats. You can adjust it. There's a zipper there. That's pretty cool. Good to have a seat that has a padded bottom, because you might get kind of sore after a while, I think. There is a second seat because this is a tandem kayak. It is Velcroed on there, so you might be able to move it either towards the bottom if you're sitting on it, or maybe if you'd like to put it on the back or something. I wonder if it fits back in here behind it, or maybe attaches to it. I'm not too sure, but all right, we have a second seat. That's good. Okay, what else is in this box? All right, let's see, let's dig into this. All right, so we have one paddle here. This is a nice starter paddle. It also looks like it's an adjustable paddle in many regards. This is going to be good. Okay, paddle one. Then we also have a second paddle, because this is, again, a tandem kayak. Tandem meaning two people. So yeah, this is good. It's black. Bag is recyclable. All right. That's kind of cool. All right, let's keep going. All right, there's a pump here for the kayak. Now, I should mention that I paid $5.99 for this kayak. So this is all kind of cool that it's all included. This pump has all the features and connectors with it. There's multiple connectors, it looks like, hopefully. All the parts are here, I hope. So yeah, this is kind of cool. Plus it has a pressure gauge on the top. Very important for pumping up kayaks. You do not want to go over the specified PSI, otherwise you might blow up the kayak or cause a leak. So there's that. Okay, we got some footrest bars, it looks like. Yep, that's what it is. Footrest bars here. All right, that's cool. All right, let's keep going, guys. All right, we've got, all right, this is the fin that goes into the kayak. All right, and it's got a clip that you can put it right in there. So that's cool too. All right, that's really, really good. So that way you can track through the water nice and easy. We do have a, this typically is a repair kit. Yep, it says repair kit right on there. Okay, that's cool. And then I think that big thing there in the bottom is the actual kayak. So I think I'm gonna stop this video here, and once I get the kayak unpackaged, I will begin a different video. So stay tuned for part 2. So far, this has been Outdoor Guy 365 with the Bonnlo Tandem 2-person kayak from Amazon.com that I ordered. So, all right, be back in the next video. Bye-bye.